I'm Madhu Ranjit Singh, co-founder Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation, your interior designing company with 2 awards in the kitty and 17 plus good years of experience. Here today I am going to take you through a twin flat, Jodi flat, which normally it is called very popularly known as, and we have combined the two flats and we have converted it into a good 5 BHK apartment. So please come. So the family is a South Indian family, and as you can see, all the colors and the choice of the decoration and all the elements of design have been curated as per their likes and dislikes. So we've created a small little lobby here, and so we have a shoe rack here. This side we have the shoe rack, which also doesn't look like a shoe rack per se, but all their shoes are all inside here, and a small little decoration space which also kind of becomes a lobby where your house doesn't get completely exposed to the visitors. So this kind of, I would say, it gives a pause whenever any guest drops in at your place. And here comes our grand living area, very beautifully designed, and the entire space has been divided very visually. If you see that it's a rectangular piece, right? It's a huge rectangular piece because, as I said, Jodi flat thi, so we broke it down into one. Breaking down the in between, there was a wall here which we have broken it down, and the living area becomes a huge living area. Now that was one of the biggest challenges we had, because a long rectangular piece was to be broken down and designed well. So what we did is that we divided it into a traditional and a contemporary style, and the focal point in this whole space is this beautiful jhula that has been customized by us for the family. The Indian seating here for a low seating, Indian seating, which divides the area. Plus, as you can see, as I said, the width of the space was very less compared to the length of the space. And that is the reason, as you can see, that we have played around on this wall. We have played around with the mirror in order to duplicate the space. And if you see this texture that we have done, which is the very rustic texture. Now this rustic texture has those brick forms which are vertically placed. So we have broken down the horizontal space and giving it a direction of vertical space, so that it doesn't look too long, and it also gives the height. Also, if you see that there is a beam that runs through the entire place, which again the beam gives a very elongated feel to the entire space. So how we have nullified the effect of the beam is with this mirror. Now if I do not pinpoint towards the beam, you will not notice that there is a beam. So we have nullified the beam, the heaviness of the beam, with this mirror. And as you see that, from here, when you will see the duplication effect of the mirrors, the repetition of mirrors on the beam as well as on the wall, which is giving the double depth to the entire space. Then we have this contemporary space where keeping the browns and the rusty, the various shades of brown, we have broken it down with this mustard yellow color accent sofa, and in order to keep the continuation and repetition, we have duplicated the same wall decor which we have maintained, which is there even with the Indian seating. Now, just in order to create little bit of more interest in the area, along with the browns, we have taken this recliner for the ease of watching the TV or having a leisure time with the family. And of course, this center table, which is a square center table, which has been taken on purpose so that the length and the width again can be like kind of maintained very well. Now, if you notice on this center table, there is a seating space here, so we can actually pull out all the 4 cushions here, and people can actually sit here. And also, if you're not using these, then we have the drawers here, and it can be used. As you can see that these drawers can be all small knickknacks and whatever small little things like coasters or all those kind of things can be used here. So we have these 4 cushions here on all the 4 corners, which is not occupying much space as it's like hidden, and it's a kind of a hack, I would say, because you have people sitting here and people sitting here, and if there are more people, then you can just pull this out and you can have like about 6-7 people aram se sitting in this space. TV unit we have kept very sleek and minimalistic. In order to complete the gold, the tinge of gold, we have used the rafters here, and as you can see that there is a spread of gold, little bit of gold here and there in terms of this sheet here. So we have highlighted all the doors. If you see this, giving it a repetition. Also on the bedroom doors, also you can see the similar kind of a design here. These are the 3 doors here. So there is a uniformity that is maintained on the doors. As you can see, these are all gold, and also maintaining the design on all the doors, keeping the base white. Also, if you see on the ceilings, we have maintained a continuous format of the ceiling, the design of the ceiling and the lighting as well. This what you see on top on this level is the wallpaper. Again, if you see the wallpaper, the base of the wallpaper is very rustic, but there is a bit of gold, and it is not very loud. It is just creating that little bit of interest and premium. It gives a very premium look. And the fans that we have chosen here are again black and brown. So black goes with the decor, as well as the brown is like going with the decor, and they are all automatic remote operated fans. This area we have completely separated in terms of the design. So what we have done is that this particular area we have kept only for the temple, and that is why we have made this step up in order to separate the flooring of the temple from the living area. And very carefully selected tiles. These tiles that you can see, which are like very floral tiles, and specifically only for the temple. And as I said that my client is a South Indian, and they really love these tiles, and it goes very well with their personality. The color schemes that you see, there is brown, and there's like beige and greens, and so it's like very interesting flooring, defining the flooring area for the temple. Similarly, now I'll take you to the ceiling. Now we have taken the same ceiling on top. The area is the same, whereas if you see the design, we have made this dome very beautifully highlighted again, with the gold in full, and this beautiful light hanging. It creates a very interesting, and it gives that, you know, a very holy vibes to this entire setup. This entire space is dedicated to the temple, so that, you know, when you have people coming over, or if you're having some pujas where, you know, you invite a lot of people, so people can sit, they have enough, like it can accommodate so many people. And still, if you have more people, then we have kept that living area and, you know, open to the temple, so that everybody can be accommodated. And पूरा माहौल एक बहुत ही प्यारा माहौल बन जाएगा यहाँ पे. And as you can see, these two bells we have hung here. We have purposely, you know, if you see, we could have created a symmetrical look with both the bells, but we tried to create that interest with one a little lower and one a little higher here. And all of these carvings that you see and the design that you see on the temple has specifically been designed for this particular client. Now, one very interesting thing which our client loves in this temple is this tray that we have specially made, so that, you know, when you have like too many things kept on the platform, they can extend this and they can make use of this as well. And usually this comes very handy, you know, when you have these pujas, and now during Diwali it was very handy for them. Yeah, so, you know, if I show the different kind of lightings that has been done here, so you can see that, you know, these are various kind of lighting options. And you can actually create the various aura, just, you know, keeping that dim light, or else, you know, you could just keep these, and then, you know, these. So various, you can play around with various kind of options depending on what is the mood that you want in the temple. And here also, as you can see that, you know, there's a whole lot of flow of gold. We have separated the temple from the living area with these rafters, which again is a repetition of those rafters which you saw at the entrance. And then we have this beautiful balcony here. So that, you know, it gives, so you have one balcony this side and you have one balcony that side. So it, you know, as I said, it's a rectangular piece, and on one side, on both, either of the sides, there are two balconies. So that gives that, you know, it brings in the outside in, and gives that natural light and air inside the house. So we have maintained that very well to keep, you know, that openness in the entire house. Now I'll take you to the dining space, which is so we have a 6-seater here, 6-seater dining space here. As you see that it's not very cluttered, and everything is like, you know, जो जहाँ पे जिसकी जगह है वहाँ पे वो चीज़ रखी हुई है. It is very clutter free. It is very minimalistic. So 6-seater dining table, a neat dining table with this unit here and the storage on top. And then again, you know, as I said, this is the balcony that we have here. Now, if you notice that, you know, when we divided this space into Indian and contemporary, so there is this jali that we have made here, which separates the two areas. Now we had the option of making it, having a divider here and making it opaque as well, but we preferred keeping it jali like this, you know, a partition unit. And plus, as you can see that there's a mirror here and there's a mirror there, and with the partition unit, it actually gives a 360-degree view of the entire space, making it look more big, much bigger than what it is. As I said that, you know, these were the Jodi flat, and there was a wall here. So this is a column, and in order to, so that it doesn't look like a column anymore, it doesn't, right? So what we did is that we highlighted this column. Instead of hiding it, we highlighted the column with these rafters, which again, with the fluted panels, which is again brown and a bit of gold in it. And in order to repeat the similar kind of look, we have used them very artistically here on the TV unit. And the laminates that you see, the background here, this is the laminate, the marble finish laminate that has been used. And if you see in all the furnitures, that is what we have used. As I always tell everyone that, you know, your fixed furniture should be neutrals, and then you throw the accent colors in terms of your upholstery or something that is movable. And that's exactly what we have done, because your fixed furnitures cannot be changed every now and then, whereas you can play around with your upholstery, and the colors and anything that is loose can be played around with at any given point of time. So this is our guest bedroom, and as you can see that it's very minimalistic and it's not cluttered, and the room is actually pretty small. And the whole idea was to get more space from the same space. So obviously what we did is a few storage, like, you know, wardrobe, and there's another storage that side. And we decided to have the Murphy bed here. Now another brief from the client was that they didn't want to escalate the budget, and their previous house also we had done it, and that time their daughter was like really small, and so we had used the same Murphy bed we had used in their house, that other house, where, you know, this panel of she was a big fan of Harry Potter, so we had used this as the backdrop. And so what we did is, to, in order to, you know, not escalate the budget, and also to carry forward the sentiments of Harry Potter of their daughter, we got the same Murphy bed in this house, and we placed it here, so that whenever they have guests, and they can just pull this bed out. And if they do not want to use the bed and there are many people, then you can always use this free space on the floor. So let me show you how this Murphy bed actually looks like. So you have to just pull it this way, and it comes down this way. This is the way it looks, and very easily manageable. And now, since, you know, it is open, so it looks like a proper bedroom. And when you don't want it, you can always close the bed, and it looks like a plain panel, like a photo frame. So that was the story behind creating this room.
Mm-hmm.